Good morning, students. So, real quick, I wanted to make a video about how to do day three. You're going to see that it's about how cars keep you poor, and it says, watch me to understand the next two slides. So, right here, I need you to watch this video. It's about 5 minutes long. It's real engaging, and it'll kind of show you the ins and out of buying a car and why it's a good idea and why it's a bad idea. But on the following slide is where you're going to actually see the magic happen. You're going to see these crazy numbers. So you'll see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars or 7 vehicles. You have 11% down payment on all of them, but you have different interest rates and times. And as we know, interest is the fee that you pay to borrow money that you don't have. Because if you had the money, you would have just bought the car cash. Okay. So it says, what is your interest after your down payment on that? And what is your total cost? So for today's, we're going to use a simple interest formula, which is I equals PRT, principal, rate, and time. And it actually, if you want to level up and challenge yourself, you can use the compound interest formula, which is A equals principal, parentheses, 1 plus rate to the power of T or time. But again, I'm going to type our formula here. We're going to be using I equals PRT. So our principal is right there, 19,500. I'm going to circle that or underline it. Our rate is right here, and our time is here. So we have to consider that when we consider what the total cost of the vehicle would be, right? So the interest is going to be calculated after the down payment. So first, what is an 11% down payment on a $19,500 vehicle? We're going to go to Desmos, and I'm going to type in 19,500 times 0.11, which is 11% as a decimal. Sorry, I'm not supposed to have a comma there. So 11% as a decimal gives me $2,145. So that's how much I'm putting down, okay, on the vehicle. That's my walk in and to say, hey, I want to buy that car money. So 11% down payment is $2,145. So I'm going to type $2,145. And then my interest rate after your down payment, so I'm going to do 7% interest and 4 years on the difference between these two numbers because I already paid $2,145. So let me take the cost of the vehicle, $19,500, subtract $2,145, you'll get $17,355. That's my new principal amount. So $17,355 times my rate of 7%, 0.07, times time. And the number of years in this particular example was 4 years. Okay. So $4,859.40. So the interest on this vehicle will be that number, $4,890 or $859.40, which means the total cost for this vehicle will be what I agreed to pay plus the interest added together. So for this $19,500 Honda, I agree to pay an additional $4,859.40, which means this vehicle just became $24,359. So the total cost is $24,359.40. That is how you do this. I need you to do it for the BMW, the Altima, the Malibu, the Camry, the Lancer, and the Volkswagen Jetta. On the following slide, answer those questions, and then you'll be done with the day. Have a blessed day, y'all.